So, it's been a while. Sweating like a dog. It's probably 90 degrees still. Got a haircut, obviously, huh? My girl Bailey. She's really turned into a sweetheart. All right, who's missing? Biggie. Biggie, there he is. He's not missing. He knows right where he is. All right. Why the beard change? I was headed to the Cape. A friend of mine was driving a travel trailer up and wanted a partner. I offered, and then other plans happened. That's why the haircut. It's for my mom. Hi, Mom. So, I haven't seen her in 2 years, I think it was. A little over 2 years. You'll sit here. We did some planting today. Here's how the garden's looking. It's looking good, despite planting no garden this spring at all. Didn't even think about it. This freshly, woo, we got a lady, we're getting hammered. Oh yeah. So we got a lot of corn, and we got some peppers, jalapeno and bell peppers, okra. I gotta get out of the spray. Tomatoes finally. They had trouble transplanting, but they all of a sudden took off the other day. Crooked neck squash, let's see, that's coming up a little bit. That just took off again too. Hopefully this continues to come up. And that's the thing about a garden, you never really know, do you? A lot of faith. A lot of faith. In this row out here, oh gosh, I was there. Oh, these are tomatoes by seed. Tell me what you think about how late that is. July 10th, maybe? I don't even know. But we'll see. We'll see. Summer's a long time down here. I gotta think differently. Get away from there. Remove the pens. And of course, when you move the pens, the dog's like, ooh, there's new poop on the ground. They freaking love it. Come on now. We left this here 2 days. Hey, get out of there. Get. You wanna see something? These guys were 4 weeks old yesterday. That means 4 more weeks. And to use a cold farm term, they're gonna be processed. They're huge. I don't know if you can appreciate the size of them. They're pretty big. Hey, buddy. What's up? Have you had a good stay here on the Woody Acres farm? Huh? Please fill out the survey on your way out. Yeah, she'll just stare at them. She'll lay down, just watch them for 15 minutes, just still. If I could improve anything, I'd put another layer of mesh on this thing. Get some deeper staples. Get out of there, Domino. Domino listens better than Lady. She wouldn't know it. These guys, these are voracious little dinosaurs. I think they're like 8, 9 weeks old. Hard telling. There's Bailey, my buddy. I think she likes my beard gone. She's never licked my face so much. Learning some stuff about the farming. First and foremost is to feed, friends and family, I don't have any family here, so friends and family of friends. And I've been studying a lot. I mean, back in the 90s when I was married to my first wife, Jeannie, we got some stuff. That girl did some work. We had pigs, sheep, chickens, and cows all at the same time, and dogs, a couple dogs, and new babies, all 3 babies. And and I would say stuff like, How come the house is a mess? Single income. We didn't know how good we had it. Reminiscing. Jeannie Beanie. I keep a lot of stuff inside. I was gonna visit my mom. She turned 80 last summer. She's tough as nails. She's doing well. I don't need to make her situation dangerous with traveling in with this stuff, so. Hi, Domino. Sunset's coming. This is all right. I don't mind this view. Kind of ruined that lawn, but. Yeah. All right. Wrapping it up. It's funny seeing these glasses, huh? It's funny seeing this face. This stuff, man. Chicken neck. I'm glad it's semi-tan. I was thinking it was gonna be all white, like the beard and the hair. But thank you for watching. This will be part of our new channel. We'll get Farmer John on here at some point. You'd probably like to hear from him more than I. He's is that correct? You probably would rather hear from him than hear from me. I gotta ask somebody. John would be more fun to hear from than me. Than I don't. Wow. I'd have to take a guess on that one. But anyway, we'll put something together someday with that and keep on growing stuff here. When the sun goes in, it cools right off. It's nice. Best time of the day. So, like I said, thanks for looking in. Appreciate it. Tell me what you think of the lack of beard. It's been 3 years since I've seen my face. It's interesting. Just did it today. So, and thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing. We're a new channel. This is where Lady Dog and me has brought me. And now we're at Woody Acres. Lady Dog's here. He's always right behind me. And Dommy. I got some good buddies. Those dogs, they're good. They're good buds. All right, we'll let you go. We'll look for our next video. We'll check in with the chickens. Thanks. We'll see you. Bye.